Network neutrality, or simply net neutrality, is the principle that Internet service providers, or ISPs, must treat all Internet communications equally and not discriminate or charge differently based on user, content, website, platform, application, type of equipment, source address, destination address, or method of communication, according to Wikipedia. Net neutrality exists for the purpose of ensuring that information available to the public is the same, regardless of location, service provider, or political beliefs. It ensures that those persons who have access to the Internet have access to all legal parts of the platform. Getting rid of net neutrality, or NN, would allow for the mass censorship of offensive content. While this seems like a good thing at first, I submit that doing such would hurt political interactions and freedom of speech. If an idea is deemed offensive, it is insinuated that said idea had the purpose of being destructive to those individuals who disagree with the idea. I think that using feelings as a means of justifying the misuse and disrespect of the First Amendment is unconstitutional, whether in person or otherwise. A reason to refute net neutrality is that doing so would allow ISPs the ability to charge clients for using too much internet and allow the ISPs to gain profit and expand infrastructure. However, this is not entirely true, since persons with ISPs such as Cable One are already charged for violating contracts and overusing data. Furthermore, removing net neutrality would mean less traffic over the internet, since people would have access to fewer sites. This means that there would be less traffic and therefore less income for those companies who rely heavily on internet traffic. Companies like Google would likely suffer from the removal of net neutrality. In summary, removing net neutrality could violate constitutional rights and hurt companies whose profit comes from users accessing information, which I remind you is the sole purpose of the internet's existence.